Hello everyone, welcome to Home Gardening 4.0. We are going to start working on broccoli and I'm gonna let you take it from here. So, what's going on?
Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot. We got a bunch of tomato seeds and other seeds, and I happened to see this variety. This is called Sun King, and this is a heat tolerant variety that should do well here where we live in Arizona. So what I'm gonna do is start some of these, and hopefully it'll work out for us so that we can have a heat tolerant broccoli to harvest in the spring. And this broccoli seed is 71 days to harvest. So today is December 15th, and if you want to say, February, March, April, these will be ready to harvest. So
April?
Maybe late March, but
Okay.
considering there's not a lot of sun right now, these will be slow to start, and then hopefully when we get them transplanted, they'll just take off. So
Okay.
that's the idea. So you've seen me start some other plants or seeds, and I'm basically doing the same thing.
Now, how many are you gonna put per pocket or per plug?
I think on this one I will do 3, because this is a seed that's for this year. It says it's for sell by 11/23, packed for 2023. So these seeds were collected in 2022 based on this.
Okay.
So these seeds are fresh and should do well for us. So we're gonna start them in the house, and then hopefully we can get them started and going, and this will be a good crop for us in the warm springtime of Arizona.
All right. And germination? I'm trying to focus the lens in this.
Says germination 10 to 21 days.
Okay.
Okay?
So 21 days, and we are on the 15th of January.
Well, it says 10 to 21 days.
Right.
So if you had planted this outside, it would take longer to germinate because it's colder. But in the warm inside, I expect it'll germinate quite a bit faster.
Okay.
All right. So outside of the mortgage. I think that's like a little about here. I don't think you have to one good plant for each. Reading that coconut seed starting to what are we gonna call it? Drill. I'm gonna here. Here. What was it? Farm to down there. I'm saying nothing. That's not much. All right. I'm just gonna do these cells.
They're small seeds. Okay. Are you going to do those two? Both? Or
I think it's perfect. But actually, I was thinking of putting this over outside. And these are into 1/8 inch. So yeah, just like that's all. Okay.
Interesting. How many I put purple? And according to the package, the
Germinates in 5 to 10 days.
5 to 10 days. And then took an inch.
And then this bib lettuce germinates, it says 7 to 10 days. And the seed looks like this.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna push these down.
You're pushing them?
Just a little bit. because I don't want them to move when I cover them.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna come back and cover them up.
Okay.
Now this is starting to get dry, so I'm gonna put some water in the tray.
Okay, let's say that it's dry.
This is very dry. This is very dry overall. So hopefully this will be a successful spring broccoli experiment. That doesn't be kind of deep with broccoli, so.
Okay, so now we do water.
Sorry.
Okay.
And then
Just gonna add the water. Add water. How much? This?
about a quarter inch. And then I'm gonna label it.
Again, the saran wrap is to keep the moisture in the soil.
Alright. Let me get the labels.
Okay. Okay, so those are labels.
Labels. Broccoli. 2 rows of broccoli. Romaine. And then did.
Okay. Make it nice.
Oh, 8. Okay.
Okay.
So, I just want to do a quick review. This packet of seed cost $1.78. This is the non-organic, conventional. This Back to the Roots, I think, is a organic company, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I want to say this cost $2.50. And
Okay.
so then this one that we just got, this broccoli, cost $1.99 today at Home Depot. So for the cost of one large broccoli floret at the grocery store, we're able to start several plants here, and then I still got quite a bit of seeds, so if I decide I want to do more, I can. And the same thing for the lettuce. For the cost of, one head of lettuce, I've got a whole packet of seeds. Okay. Now, there is some equipment, like we had to buy this seed starting tray. We did have to buy that, and we did have to buy the seed starting mix. This was that compressed coconut core, shredded core mix. We did have to buy that, but the tray's reusable, and that coconut core was not that expensive. So pretty soon, just with a little bit of everyday attention, we'll have plants for the price of one harvested item each, and we'll have multiple plants. So and opportunity to do more. So it's cost effective if you're able to get your seeds started, and you can reuse your supplies like this. It's not cost effective if you have to keep buying things that you cannot reuse. So that's it.
Okay. Well, thanks everyone for joining us on this video on starting seeds for lettuce and broccoli. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Okay.
Just cleaning up after the video, and I just wanted to check on this because I was checking the water level
Of the need to
of this thing, and it's already soaked it up.
we
So So I'm gonna add more water.
That it's sucked up all the water already. That's crazy.
All right.
Anyway, so we have to add some more. That's funny.
Well, I was looking at it and I said, "Where's the water line?" And then I was like, "Oh my gosh, I think it already sucked up the water." All right.
Good catch, by the way.
Because I want it to be moist. Okay. Wrap it back up.
That's funny.
Like I'm tucking in the sheets or something right now.
I know.
All right.
All right.
That's it.
That's it. This is it. This is for real now. Thanks again for checking with us. Good evening, everyone. I just want to give you a quick update. We did these seeds, the bib, the romaine, and both of these broccolis on the 15th. And today is the 20th of December. And all of this have actually germinated very well for just been 5 days, which we didn't expect this. But before I decided to upload the video, I decided to do the update and then attach it to the original video. So you guys can see how this is actually turning out very well. And these seeds are, they're not old seeds, correct? Yes. So these are new seeds, and so they are actually doing a lot better than we expected. So just want to give you guys the quick update before we upload the video, and hope that we can get more updates on these other ones that we have also already started those seeds. But this is unexpected and looks really good. Exceeded our expectations. So we'll see you guys and give you an update on the other seeds.